to hold first.
Yeah. Now wait. एक साथ में वेट both of you on this camera. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
मैम रुकिए मैम रुकिए थैंक यू और आधे घंटे में खत्म। हाँ वो आनी चाहिए टाइम।
Picture of you. Hi. Hi. Hi again. Hello.
Love when words are inadequate. There is no love more sincere than the love for food. And although I have picked up these sayings from the internet, I'm sure all of you would agree with me. When it comes to relationship between food and mankind, it's a different one altogether. Today we're here to launch yet another wonderful milestone in Asha Ji Khatao's journey with food. एक बात मैं बड़ी इनफॉर्मली कहना चाहूँगी कि आशा जी के खाने में माँ के खाने का सुकून है, बट विद द एलिगेंस ऑफ a Michelin starred chef and a restaurant right in the heart of Paris. Asha Ji Khatao is a well-known cookery book author and has 11 books to her credit, 3 out of which have won awards at the Gaumont World Cookbook Fair held in Paris every year. She specializes in vegetarian cooking and has classes at her residence in Malabar Hill and workshops all over the world. The novel Indian Cuisine, which is the 12th book in the Epicure series, is all about Indian food served in the Western style. More about the book from the publisher when I invite him here. I am also very honored to be given the opportunity to introduce the First Lady of our state, who's extremely accomplished and has a lot of feathers in her cap. Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis, the beautiful and accomplished First Lady of the state. An MBA graduate in finance, a qualified CIEL with taxation laws from Symbiosis Pune. She is working with the Axis Banks for the last 14 years, currently at the position of Deputy Vice President, Corporate Head, West India for Transaction Banking Business. She's been a state-level tennis player under 16. She's a trained classical singer and has been performing in various social events. We have seen her all over television. She sang for the Beti Bachao movement, recently debuted as a playback singer in the Hindi movie Jai Gangajal. She's recorded songs on social issues and movies based on social issues like Orphan Children and movies which are based on the life of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Gopinath Munde and Srimati Vijayaraje Scindia. Her recently released musical single Phir Se, which featured the wonderful Amitabh Bachchan, has gone viral and has got rare reviews. I'm sure all of us must have seen it on your WhatsApp at some point. She has walked the ramp as a showstopper for promotion of handloom and education of girl child at the New York Fashion Week and been a showstopper for the NIFT. She's extremely active in social causes, especially for women empowerment and village development. She's adopted villages Petri and Kaudas and working towards development and the economic upliftment of these villages. She's partnered with the BMC to promote the wellness of the sweeper community and partnered with Film City for wellness of the laborers. She's the chief patron for the Davis Cup tennis tournament held in February 2017 in Pune, represented India at the National Prayer Breakfast, an international peace initiative presided by the US President Donald Trump, initiated Sakshama, a program for the welfare and empowerment of the acid attack victims in collaboration with the Maharashtra State Women's Commission. If that's not enough, there's some awards that I will quickly go through. The Lokmat Maharashtra's Most Stylish Icon Award, you're not surprised with that one. Dadasaheb Phalke Film Foundation Award as a debutant playback singer. The Award for Excellence 2017 for Excellence in Women Empowerment by All Ladies League and Divine Vibrations. The Surya Dutt National Women Award for Service Towards Women Empowerment, and the WOW Outstanding Multifaceted Woman of the Year Award 2017. Can we have a big round of applause for this wonderful lady? I'm very happy and very proud to welcome Vicky Ratnani ji, a much loved face amongst food lovers on television. We would like to welcome the chief guest for today with a bouquet of flowers. These are all magicians. I firmly believe that all good chefs are magicians. Yes. These are all magicians. I firmly believe that all good chefs are magicians. Yes, but she is an outstanding chef. I would now like to call upon Mr. Harsha Bhatkar, the publisher of today's book, please.
Thank you, Kavita. On behalf of Crossword and Popular Prakashan, I'd like to welcome all our guests here today. As usual, Asha's fan club never ceases to amaze me. There are so many friends who admire her work and her books and are always here to grace the occasion, which is a big day for her because it's years of work that go into creating a book. And when it's finally out, there's a certain feeling of satisfaction. And it's always great to share that with your near and dear ones, your friends, and of course, Mahendra Bhai and Priya, who uh, are always with her in whatever she does. And thank you all for coming here. Uh, Popular Prakashan has been publishing Asha's books for many years, and each book is always a pleasure because there's so much brainstorming uh, about what the book can be about, what would satisfy a need in the readers today. And in particular, I think Nouvelle Indian Cuisine is a very interesting and important concept because one keeps traveling to the West and sees certain kinds of food, and we always feel that Indian food is not presented well or it's done in a certain way. And Asha has captured the essence of all that food and brought it to the Indian kitchen and more importantly to the vegetarian kitchen, which is really empowering for a lot of people who can now cook Nouvelle Indian cuisine in their very homes. Thank you, Asha, for this great contribution. Uh, it's great to also know that she is a great chef, and when children say that their parents are great chefs, it means a lot in public. Because my own experiences, my children are always finding fault with me, so it's lovely that she's pointing out that her mother is a great chef. Thank you so much for being here. And Chef Radnani needs no introduction and is a perfect guest for the kind of book we are releasing today. Thank you, Chef, for being here. Thank you, all of you all. I'm not going to take up any more of your time, and I'm going to request Mrs. Fadnavis to kindly release the book and the others to join in the process as well.
When the media calls out to you like your own, you know you're a celebrity. So the Nouvelle Indian Cuisine by Ashaji Khatao, may I request the authoress herself to tell us more about the book?
I am delighted to welcome you all today in presence of our Honorable Chief Guest Amritaji Fadnavis, who is a multifaceted personality, a trained classical singer and a social activist, and a successful banker as well. She is truly an inspiration for modern Indian women. Special guest, Padma Shri Award winner, renowned singer Anuradha Podwal, and a brilliant chef, author, connoisseur, and fellow Gourmand Award winner, Mr. Vicky Ratnani. My special thanks to my publisher and a friend, Harsha Bhatkal, and the full team of Popular Prakashan. Without them, this book would not have been possible. India as a country has grown, and it's about time that we took our cuisine into the 21st century. This book, Nouvelle Indian Cuisine, is the 12th in Epicure series, as you already heard from Kavita. Gives Indian recipes an international twist and makes it more recognizable and appealing to the world audience. My attempt has been to take the culinary experience to the next level while retaining authenticity of the flavors. The modern Indian cuisine concept was introduced over a decade ago, mainly by Indian chefs abroad. This was mainly to cater to international clientele. And now, chefs all over the world have embraced this trend and are creating amazing recipes. Gone are the days of usual strongly flavored curries, array of chutneys, and overdose of spices. The emphasis today is in pairing and presentation, creating small portions with subtle flavors such as wild mushroom kulcha drizzled with truffle oil, or curry flavored risotto, and a stuffed chili tempura. This book has such over 100 recipes. Through this, I hope to bring a novel Indian cuisine into your homes, and I'm sure that you all will enjoy cooking from it as much as I enjoyed writing them. Thank you.
That was wonderful, Ashaji. Thank you. I'm sure each one here must have tasted those recipes in your head while she was talking about them. So, may I now request Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis to say a few words because she is hard pressed for time.
A very good evening, all of you friends and respected dignitaries here. Mrs. Asha Khatau, Anuradha Podwal ji, who's a dear friend, Chef Vicky Ratnani ji, Harsha Bhankat ji, and all of you who have come here to witness the launch of this beautiful, tasty book, Nouvelle Indian Cuisine. In fact, I'm the most unsuitable person here today because I must admit today openly that I'm not a good cook, and that keeps actually my husband's weight in check. So, in fact, I just glanced through these books, this book and the dosa waffles and paratha pizza and curry risotto. They looked very attractive to me, and I just wish I can make this for my daughter, and she's also looking forward for me to cook it. So I feel your book is local. It is global, and it is mixed up all the local ingredients in it. So it's a very interesting book to read, and I will try it out on my family members definitely. And as we all know today, like recipes are all over on blogs, on internet, everywhere we see we have recipes. So the traditional method of having a bookshelf in your kitchens and all, although it is still there and it is still cherished by so many, but somehow it is still not in the right place where it should be. It has not found the right place. But with books like these, I'm sure people will have all those people who either love cooking or love eating or love feeding should have one of it. So I think so everyone would have it. And I, not being a good cook, so I make a lot of friends, because somewhere I had heard that if you want to make friends, go to people's place and have the food which they offer. And when people offer you food, they offer you their heart. So at least I've used it that way, that I've made better friends, a lot of friends, because of not knowing cooking, and I'm surely coming to your place to have it. And I think so, ma'am is a great cook, that's what I heard. And I think so with her cooking style only, her style of singing also is great. Something linked. If it is, let me know the secret. I need it. And thank you so much. And please, I would suggest that I have read it, and I really find these recipes Indian and continental all mixed up, and that is what we are now. We are global citizens. We like the global tastes, continental tastes, and this is what matches thoroughly. So enjoy reading, enjoy eating, and feeding your near and dear ones. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amritaji. And I think as a musician, not a cook, but as a musician, I know that you need a good audience is as important as a good performer. So I think people like you and I who eat with our hearts are extremely important to the chefs. Before I hand over the mic to Vicky ji, because it's very important to hear from a fellow contemporary, should be, do you have some time? You can wait? Yes, please, great, thank you. So can I request Vicky Ratnani ji to say a few words here, please?
It's an honor to be here. Thank you very much for inviting me amongst all the stalwarts. I got a copy of a book a few days ago, and I was actually mesmerized by the fact that there are such very good ideas, and especially today, we should be all very proud that Indian food was always around, but we are really very much on the top 3-4 cuisines of the world, and definitely this book must go even international, because there are a lot of people out there in the world who actually aspire to cook Indian food. And I think if the kind of dishes like you've got cauliflower, so there are a lot of trending recipes where you've got very nice limited ingredients which can be easily made at home, unlike some of my recipes where you have to run around for ingredients. And I think this book is fabulous, and for sure I would like to cook these recipes one day with you. Thank you very much.
So as you saw, we have very, very accomplished people on the stage today, and each one has offered something very, very valuable to their respective fields. I think this is a good note to kind of wrap up the ceremony, and I would request Mr. Bhatkal to. Oh yes. Hello. Hi. Actually, when Ashaji asked me in the beginning, would you like to say a few words? I said, no, Kavita will talk on my behalf. But you know, I'm really overwhelmed. Ashaji is family for me. She is no longer that, Asha Khatau. She is like a little sister for me for the last so many months. And needless to say, Ashaji, I'm so proud of you. And what can I say about Amritaji? I know she's so hard pressed for time, but I'm really indebted to you that you took out time just, on a request that I made. And I wanted the best lady to be here for Ashaji's this book, because she has entered her 60th year and she's celebrating her 60th birthday. So I really wanted that Amritaji should come. And I think all I can say is, I think we have the very best lady as our first lady. We are proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you all for being with us here today. Just a small comment on what Anuradha ji said about Asha. You know, earlier people used to retire when they were 60, and Asha's still like going strong as though she's got another 12 books ahead of her. So we're looking forward to another 12 functions like this. And of course, thank you, Mrs. Fadnavis, for being here. Thank you, Anuradha ji. Thank you, Chef. And thank you, Kavita, for being such a gracious host today. We could, if anyone has any questions for the author, please go ahead. For the author or anyone.
I felt I was in a music concert hearing Anuradha ji and having a nice cuisine. It was a combination of 25th November, we had no meat day. Yes. And I'm so good that Mahatma Gandhi was in England after dabbling little of non-veg. He felt he took to vegetarianism. He didn't have much money there, and he had vegetarian. I'm so happy that you have vegetarian food. But now we Gujaratis believe in having spicy food, and it affects our health and other things. So, and now many are fat fashion, zero figure. So what would you recommend? Your book has plenty to it. What would you recommend in this stressful life? What we should do to maintain as yoga, tan, man, dan ki santul.
Thank you for asking these questions. It's a very relevant question, and as I mentioned in my speech, that the days of having spicy curries and spicy food and hardcore masala food is no more there. What chefs are doing nowadays, I'm sure Vicky Ratnani will also agree with me, that we flavor the food very lightly with spice, and present it in a different way and have small portion, and I think that's the secret to carry on with food when you are trying to cut down.
Sir, spice apart, I think, again, without sounding cliched, I think the Gujarati community needs to be given accolades for just nurturing the love for food. Okay, although it's a very Indian thing, I think I can very strongly say that all Gujarati patrons are connoisseurs. They are genuinely connoisseurs of good food. I think we will continue with the questions, but maybe the guests for the day have other engagements, and we would like to honor them with some small tokens of our appreciation.
I'm so happy to be here at the book launch, Nouvelle Indian Cuisines by Asha Khatauji. And I believe that anyone who loves eating, feeding or cooking, this is the book for that person, and I think so it is for everyone. A beautiful blend of, as I just said, it's a local kind of a book, which is a blend of global recipes along with the local spices in it. So it is a very tasty book indeed, and beautiful recipes like example dosa waffles and curry risotto. So these are really unique dishes, I think, so everyone would be tempted to try them and have them.
And would you find time to try out some dishes out there?
Definitely I would try out desserts and also some of the munchies which she has suggested.
Coming and teaching some.
Yeah, she's going to teach me. So
What do you have to say about Amrita ji on today? Got time to launch.
yeah, Amrita ji, of course, just with one message of us going from Anuradha ji, she agreed to come, and I'm so grateful and thankful to her. Not only it is required that you are fond of cooking or no, but you are a personality which we all admire, and we have heard about all the achievements that she has taken, and that is how she stands out for as a role model for all the women, and that's what we want to also explore. So I'm sure she's also into the education field, and cooking and books is all a part of also education. So she's promoting something which somebody does good, and I think that's what she's come here for. So I'm really, really happy.
And that's her 12th edition.
12th book, yes.
And, I think so that is the best.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. What do you have to say?
It's really great that Asha has written so many books, and we are proud to be associated with all of them.
Talking about the USP of the book, what would you say that there's one USP of the book?
I think the USP of the book is its innovativeness, that it's vegetarian, it's built on ingredients which are locally available and yet bring the excitement of cooking from all over the world to the home in India. It will help every kitchen that embraces it. Thank you.
Anuradha ji, na? What would you say about the book launch today of Asha ji by Amrita ji? Anuradha ji's message over there, Vicky ji's there. So what would you like to say?
Yes, so first and foremost, I think, food and music are very closely related. I think, the atmosphere that is created by listening to music, a similar atmosphere is created when you eat, when you taste good food. It's a very spiritual experience. And I'm very happy I could be here today for Asha Aunty because she's a very, very close friend. She's a lovely person. And, kabhi-kabhi aise ho jata hai, when you know someone that close, you tend to overlook his achievements, his or her achievements. Or aaj, seeing that her 12th book has been launched, it just felt, all of us felt very happy and very proud of her. And I know that, just like Chef Vicky said, that, today the recipes here are, they need to be tried out, and they will be tried out by people all over the world because they have fewer ingredients and ingredients that are very easily available. And at the same time, it's still Indian food, food with a soul. So once again, I wish her all the best, and thank you for having me over, because like I said, I'm a singer and I know the importance of a good audience and the importance of good food and good music. So for everyone who's watching, अच्छा खाइए और अच्छा गाना सुनिए. That's all I can say. Thank you.
ये आशा खटाव जी का 12th बुक है और उनके साल के 60th बर्थडे पे उन्होंने ये रिलीज़ किया है. मैं आशा जी को बहुत अरसे से जानती हूँ और शी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फैबुलस कुक. बहुत ही सीखने जैसा है और बहुत प्यार से सिखाते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स दे जस्ट फ्लॉक कि कभी हम उनके क्लासेस अटेंड करें. और आज मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि अमृता जी ने इसका अनावरण किया है, बिकॉज़ आई थिंक शी इज़ द बेस्ट पर्सन वी कैन हैव. और वो खुद एक वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर है एंड मल्टी फैसेटेड है. तो स्वर्ण कांचन योग है ये. एंड आई विश आशा जी ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. देखिए, अच्छे बुरे का तो मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन बेसिकली मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ. तो हर मिडिल क्लास में यही होता है कि घर की जो लेडी है वो जो भी त्यौहार होते हैं या रोज़ का खाना भी खुद अपने हाथों से बनाते हैं. तो आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि जब भी मैं घर पे हूँ तो कोशिश यही रहती है कि मैं खुद ही बनाऊँ. नो नहीं, आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग टू राइट और एनीथिंग, लेकिन इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस ट्राइंग आउट न्यू रेसिपीज़. तो आशा जी इज़ लाइक अ फैमिली टू मी. और आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल एंजॉय द.
कौन सी बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं? जैसे आपकी कोई फेवरेट ऐसे बुक हो, कौन सी पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं हमेशा बुक्स? अगर
ऐसे कुछ है, मुझे बेसिकली कुकिंग का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ है. तो एक्सप्लोर करते रहती हूँ मैं कुछ ना कुछ नया. और हमारे घर में भी बहुत खाने के शौकीन हैं, तो हम लोग ट्राई करते रहते हैं नई कोई रेसिपीज़ वगैरह. बाकी मुझे ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह का शौक़ है.
धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू सर.
आशा जी,
आज आशा जी के बुक का है लॉन्च है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? उनकी 12वीं बुक है.
आई थिंक आशा जी, मैं उनको गुरु मानता हूँ एक्चुअली. और लोग सोचते हैं कि हम शेफ्स और जो अभी फेमस शेफ्स हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, उन्होंने ये सब नोवेल क्विजीन और फ्यूजन चालू किया है, लेकिन एक्चुअली दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. द रियल लेडीज इज आशा खटाव जी एंड द लेट तरला दलाल जी. These were the two ladies who actually made a lot of commitment. जो उनके नॉलेज है, उनके जो स्पाइसेस की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, ट्रैवल का नॉलेज है, उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह सिंप्लीफाई करके एक ऑनेस्ट, टेस्टी, नॉट कन्फ्यूजन लेकिन फ्यूजन का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की है उनके. सो देव रियली this book which I have read today is definitely one of the nicest books that I've read in a long time, and definitely there's a lot to learn from these people. And I think what they have created in the past is very progressive. You know, like जो आज के dishes ये book में हैं और उनके जो earlier जो recipes भी थी, recipes जो थी वो अभी भी हम आज और 10 साल के बाद भी कुक कर सकेंगे और एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी यूज़ कर सकेंगे ये रेसिपीज.
एक्चुअली यू हैव बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर लॉन्ग, सो आपके इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ?
My inspiration is actually the market, ingredients, the people, seasons, colors, mood. That's what inspires my cooking.
बुक्स की हम बात करें तो लाइक आपकी फेवरेट बुक कौन सी है, फेवरेट ऑथर कौन है?
Actually, there are quite a few authors. I mean, you know, the thing is that I don't know who's my favorite author, lekin I am quite a book collector, right from simple regional Indian cooking to modern cooking to book written by great chefs. So I think there's no one single author. Each author has to be respected. Each author has his own light or his own message which he puts through photographs and recipes. मुझे आशी जी की I don't know the name of the book, but I think it's about European cooking, which उन्होंने मुझे दी थी.
You also planning of writing a book?
I have a book called Vicky Goes Veg, which won a Gourmand Award, and yes, there are 2 books which I'm almost signing now, and it's going to be more for the international market. So where Indians from all around the world can create vegetarian and non-vegetarian Indian recipes in their homes. I don't know as yet.